am Mohammad Riaz Moin here from ASQ Tech Services and ASQ Technologies. We are a digital experts in printing, supplying of printing machines. So we have a digital complete solution, production machines, Canon. We are a partner with Canon and Ulkan and SmartCut and Blue Digital Duplicator. Apart from that, we are into the signage also. We are official partners of ColorJet and Roland. So we have a complete solution for a customer in customized budget. On customer budget, we will fix his requirement. We have low-end to high-end products where we can give a complete right solution and right service support to end customer to fulfill his requirement. After sales also, we have a right service support. We have very good team. Based on team, we are working here. So with team support, we will support end customer with 2 years warranty on some products and 5 plus 2 years warranty on Phasma, Canon products, and 1 year warranty on products. Apart from that, customer need any supports, we are there anytime, 24/7. Anytime we are there to support customers. We are since 2013. We established in 2013. We are located at Hyderabad, Malakpet office, and we have a branch in Warangal, Anamkonda branch. It's a good expo. Customers are walking is there. We are looking more customers apart from this. Every time we are participating in high-techs. All India Prints Out we have participated. Print Pack we have participated. Apart from this, other expos are there. We are interested.